Victory!
Hong Kong at
Cheer up, Hong Kong!
Yeah!
Hello, I'm Nicole. I'm 8 years old. I'm studying at SFA. I like playing the violin very much. I started playing since I was 4 years old. During this period, I have more time to stay with my mother and practice the violin. I also like cooking. My mother teaches me how to make all kinds of food, and that included desserts.
Whenever there is a crisis, there are also opportunities. The quarantine period gave us the opportunities to learn more about each other and about life in general. My role is important as a parent. I tried coming up with a timetable so Nicole can have a more balanced routine, getting sufficient time for both learning and rest. I try to make her understand the importance of being disciplined. Hopefully, this will keep her busy at home. Apart from homework and playing the violin, I have to get creative sometimes. Just like today, we are going to make one of her favorite desserts.
Let's wash your hands. Today, we are going to make sweet dumplings. We make 4 colors. We have white, yellow, green, and orange. For green, we need to put 1 drop of yellow and 1 drop of blue.
After adding some colors to the dough, you roll and split it into round shapes of equal size. The fillings are then added into the round dough, while you add small amount of water to smoothen up the outside. Just try your best to make it look as cute as possible.
Next step, we make ears, eyes, and hands.
It could be any cartoon or expression you want, as long as that face makes you happy. You can draw the features using the colors.
Now we boil them for 4 minutes. This is my favorite one.
This shouldn't take more than 4 minutes. You can tell it's done when the dumplings start to float. One of the ways to serve the dumplings is to put them in soup and bring it to your guests in a nicely designed bowl.
It tastes good and I hope you would like it.